To maximize your speed in Excel, you need to move beyond basic shortcuts like Ctrl C and Ctrl V, etc. Today, I'm going to introduce you to 20 most useful and unique Excel shortcuts which will definitely save your valuable time. Watch till the end. Number 1. Alter plus equal. It is used for AutoSum. This formula uses smart range detection. It is the mostly used function in Excel. With this shortcut, you can add a huge number of cells, select the range, press Alter plus equal, you are done. Number 2. Ctrl Shift L. It is used to turn filters on off. Let's see how it works. Number 3. Ctrl plus semicolon. It is used to insert today's date. Number 4. Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon. This formula is used to insert current time. Number 5. Ctrl plus D. This is used to fill down. It is similar to copying the above cell into the down cell without pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. It is used for faster copying. Number 6. Ctrl plus R. It is used to fill right. It is similar to the previous formula. While the previous one copies the cells above into the cell below, Ctrl R copies the data from left to right. Number 7. Ctrl plus space. It is used to select entire column. Number 8. Shift plus space. This is used to select the entire row. Number 9. Ctrl plus arrow keys. These are used to jump to the edge of the data instantly. Let's see how it works. Whenever you are in the sheet, if you press Ctrl plus right arrow, you will go to the rightmost cell. Ctrl plus left will take you to the leftmost. Pressing Ctrl up or Ctrl down arrow will take you to the upmost or downmost cell respectively. Number 10. Ctrl Shift arrow keys. This is used to select data to the edge. It works almost in the same way as the formula shown earlier. While the previous one used to go to the last cell, this formula is used to select those cells. Staying at any cell, pressing Ctrl Shift right arrow will select all the cells till the last right cell. Pressing the left, up or down arrow will do their job accordingly. Number 11. Alter plus enter. This formula is used to input a new line inside a cell. Usually, after typing in a new cell, if we press enter, the cursor goes to the below cell. If we want to type 2 lines in a cell, after writing 1 line, we have to press Alter enter and write the second or more lines. Number 12. F4. F4 is used to log the cell reference in edit mode. Repeat the last action in normal mode. I am making this clear. In edit mode, when you copy formulas down or across, locked references changes. But if you use F4, lock references don't change. This is essential for calculations like tax rates, commissions, fixed multipliers, etc. This should be discussed on a separate video. Again, in normal mode, F4 repeats your previous command. For example, apply the same fill color to another cell, insert another row, apply the same border style, format multiple cells the same way. Think of it as do that again. Number 13. Ctrl plus grave accent. This formula is used to show or hide formulas. Let's see what happens. If Ctrl plus grave accent pressed, all the formulas are shown. If pressed again, All are hidden. Number 14. Ctrl plus page up or page down. These shortcuts are used to move between worksheets. Number 15. Ctrl Shift plus. Insert row or column. Place and click your mouse on the column or row and press Ctrl Shift plus. A new column or row will be inserted ahead. Number 16. Ctrl plus minus. This shortcut is used to delete row or column. Place and click your mouse on the column or row and press Ctrl minus. That column or row will be deleted. Number 17. Ctrl plus T. This shortcut is used to convert the selected range into an official Excel table. Select your text range and press Ctrl T. The whole text range will convert into table. Number 18. F2. It is used to edit the active cell. It places the cursor at the end of the content. Usually, if we want to edit a cell, we have to click mouse button twice. You can do the same task using this shortcut. Number 19. Ctrl plus 1. Ctrl plus 1 opens Format Cells dialog box. After entering this shortcut, you will find a huge number of customization here. Do it according to your need. The last shortcut is formatting. If you press Ctrl Shift $sign, it will apply currency format. If you press Ctrl Shift %, it will apply percentage format. If you press Ctrl Shift tilde, it will apply general number format. If the video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, follow or subscribe. Thank you.